This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download Keyboard Maestro, the popular Mac automation software. So I'm right here on the Keyboard Maestro download page. You can find it at keyboardmaestro.com/main. So it's just the main page right here where you can actually get the download and a free trial. I'll put that link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click that link and wind up on this page, and you don't need to go looking for anything. So we can watch the video right here, or we can just click on free trial. So when we click on free trial, that will immediately download to your downloads location. Now, depending on your browser, you can see that the icon just popped up there. I'm on a Mac. That will send, depending on what browser you have I'm on a Mac, even with Google Chrome, so it goes directly to the downloads folder. Your downloads folder might vary depending on your browser, but you will find the installer there, and you can just follow the process with the installer from there. So hopefully you have found this video on how to find and download Keyboard Maestro useful. If you found it helpful, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like